Okay, so the Lenovo have to boot from a USB, so turning it on, you'll go straight into Windows or your operating system, which is not what you want. So what you want to do is bring the recovery menu, and all Lenovos, IdeaPads, Yogos, they have the special recovery keyhole here, which is that one there. Put it in, it will turn on, and you'll get a menu option. And we're going to go into BIOS setup. We're going to go to security, secure boot disabled, and boot mode, that's fine. If you want to boot off a CSM style USB, you choose that. I'll leave it as UEFi. F10 save settings. One sec. Alright, so this is what happens. That's perfectly fine. And it brings up the boot menu because there's nothing to boot from. But if you put a USB, it should automatically boot from that. So, and the hard drive I put in has no operating system, but you normally won't get that. So I'm going to turn it off, and I'll show you from beginning. So turn it off, go back to recovery menu again, put the needle in. There we go. Then you'll get a boot menu, and just choose the boot menu and choose your USB, and away you go. And after finishing your installation, you just simply revert the secure boot back, so it gets a nice boot with the UEFi enabled in the logo and the etc. Otherwise it will look ugly. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.